Hi friend, and welcome to my channel. Let's draw a rainbow dash for My Little Pony together. Are you ready? Let's start! Draw the ear with an upside down letter V and draw a round line for the inner part. Draw a round line for the mane on the head and then draw two small pointed tufts, like I do. Draw with a big letter V the large quiff. Now, a small tuft that reaches up to the ear. Follow me while I draw the three tufts on the neck, first a small one, then two larger ones. Draw an oval for the eye and 3 lines for the eyelashes. Draw a second oval inside it, and then 3 more small ovals. Draw the outline of the face with a curved line, then draw the nose and mouth. Close the contour of the face with a curved line that reaches the tuft on the neck. Wow! Our design is starting to take shape! Draw the wing with an open oval and 3 small semicircles inside it. Draw 3 slanted lines inside the wing. Draw the neck with a quarter circle. Now draw the first front paw with a slightly curved line, a horizontal line, and another slightly curved line. Draw the second front paw following the outline of the first. Draw a curved line for the belly, and then draw the first hind leg with a curved line, then a horizontal line, another curved line, and a small horizontal line. Now trace the outline of the body with a half an oval. Draw the second hind leg following the outline of the other leg. Draw the tail with a large curved line, 6 pointed tufts, and close with a curved line. Draw 5 lines inside the tail, following its shape. Now draw the lines of the mane, 2 curved lines for the part above the head, 2 for the part on the neck. Wow! Our friend Rainbow Dash turned out really well! Good job! Now let's take the colors. Use red for the first portion of the mane and tail. Use orange for the second portion of the mane and tail. Use yellow for the third part of the mane and tail. Use green for the fourth part. Use blue for the fifth part. And use purple for the sixth part. Use black for the pupil of the eye. Color the iris of the eye with pink. And use light blue for the face and body. Excellent! Our friend turned out really well and is ready to play with you! Goodbye friends, see you soon!